Hello guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to install a PCIe network card in your PC. So let's get started. First of all, you'll want to find an open PCIe slot, and then put your network card on top of the slot. Now, once you know that your card is on top of the slot, just push it in. And then your card should fit in snugly. Now that the card is inserted, you'll want to put this plate back on. This plate holds the PCI card in place. Now just find the open hole and screw it in. Now that you've screwed in the card, you'll want to plug in the power to a port named JUSB 1 or 2. Once you've found the port, line up your connector with it and just push it in. The plug should go in pretty easily, so if it doesn't, don't push too hard. Instead, remove it and try again. Now you can connect the antenna to your network card. That's it, you've successfully installed a network card in your PC.